This video is proudly sponsored by SK Imports, South Africa's biggest importer of go-karts, quads, bikes and accessories. Hi, I'm Steve. Today we're going to talk about your new 49cc mini dirt bike. They come in three lovely colors: orange, green and white. When you open your packaging, you'll notice that the bikes are at least 75% assembled, and you get a free mini toolkit with them and a mixing bottle. So basically, once you've removed the bike from the packaging, you'll need to pump the wheels up. I would say these rubber wheels would need to be pumped up to the same as what a little bicycle tire would be pumped up. It's probably around 0.3 of a bar. The back wheels are already mounted. All you need to do is lube the chain, but that's what we'll talk about in another video. You can set the brakes there. These two bolts, if you turn them clockwise or anti-clockwise, the brake caliper will move ever so slightly forwards and backwards, and that's how you will adjust that. When we get to the engine, you'll notice that the fuel pipe will need to be connected onto the tap. From there you will run the pipe down and will connect onto the carburetor. We use metal pull starters, we don't use the plastic ones, and these are the easy pull type, so you don't need to pull them hard, but that's for another video. Your two-stroke oil mix will go in here. The tanks take about 1.9 liters. It comes equipped with a key. The key does not start the bike like an electric start, but if the key is not in, the bike won't start. Assembly, probably the most difficult part of this bike to assemble, or the most work should I say, is your front wheel. So remember, the bike comes with two spaces for the wheels, so you will put your long bolt in there and you'll put the spacer, and then you will put the spacer in that side. The bolt will then come out and you'll fasten it. You'll then put your mud guard on. It's got two bolts at the bottom. You'll put the mud guard on, you'll put the top guard on, and you'll see it's got one little screw there. These brackets are already on, so all you need to do is you need to mount your steering, put the top two brackets on, and you need to fasten them. Your brake handles are already on. You just need to position them, and you need to fasten them with a supplied Allen key. These bikes come equipped with recessed handles, so what that means is kids with small hands can actually grip the handles. Most Chinese bikes don't come with recessed handles. They generally stand up about there. So we've equipped our bikes with recessed handles. Far easier for a kid of around 4 to 8 years old to grip. They can also limit the speed. There is a screw at the bottom of here. You take it out and you move it to the top position, and when you give it petrol, it actually reduces the speed. The bike also comes equipped with a safety cutoff switch. So if you press that, it cuts the engine out. And then this is a safety kill cord. This always needs to be on, and this always needs to be fastened onto your kid's hand. If your child falls off the bike, this will pull off and cut the engine out. Top speed on this bike is around 35 km per hour. And they do take a while to get going, but these are perfect for kids that want to learn to ride. The wheels are rubber, 10-inch, and you'll see that the frame on the bike is also painted. It's got a round tubing for stability. We don't use the square tubing on our little bikes, so the quality of these bikes is far better than your cheap bikes that you get at the flea markets. And also, just to show you, you'll see there is a chain roller guard. That plastic, if you look in there, it's a piece of nylon, if you wish, and your chain will run over that, which would then eliminate your chain running on your frame. The seat height of this bike is around 62 centimeters. And as I said before, this bike is suited for kids ages 4 to 8, for boys and for girls. It's got a dry sump, so what that means is the engine already has been lubed by the factory, and there is no oil that needs to go into this engine. All you do is you mix your 2-stroke oil, give it a good shake, and you will then throw your oil mix, your petrol mix if you wish, in there. Close this, and the pipe that you've got here, you can actually cut it, I'd say about 5 centimeters, and that will enable your bike to ride without spilling the fuel. Thanks guys for watching. Watch out for more videos. Cheers. Bye.